Invalid payment method. Here's the fastest way to get your Amazon account running again. And what it looks like if you have an invalid payment method is it looks like something like this, where it says it's unable to charge your card, or they completely lock you out of your account, which is great. Thanks, Amazon. And this is what it looks like on mobile. So, if you don't have your credit card updated in Amazon, it will mess everything up, and they might have to verify your identity again. So make sure you update your credit card as quickly as possible. Now, why it happens is your credit card expired. You didn't know. Credit card or bank thinks it's fraudulent, think Amazon is charging you maybe too many fees. It's fraudulent. So you might have to call your bank. Maybe you did a chargeback and you contacted your bank and you said, this is fraud, and they charged it back. You might have the incorrect billing address. Your credit limit might have been reached. Could just be Amazon being Amazon and they just don't like you. In that case, change your credit card. Could not be a credit card. So it might accidentally be a debit card that you're implementing. And just call your bank or your credit card and be like, hey, is this actually a credit card or is it a debit card? What kind of type of card is this? They'll tell you. Not accepted. I'll go over this in a second. Non-international credit card or bank disabled for certain countries. This happens a lot as well, where there's a certain type of credit card that only works in, let's say, United Kingdom. And if you try to use it in Amazon USA, they don't allow that country to use that credit card, so it won't work. Make sure, again, call your bank. Hey, is this an international credit card? Can I use it in the US? Fastest solutions. Use a different credit card. Call your bank ASAP. Remove and add the credit card again. So you can actually remove it in Amazon and then add a new credit card. And then for the future, have multiple credit cards ready to go. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go into Google right now and I want you to type in bank account and credit Amazon. Bank account and credit Amazon. The first link that comes up is this one. You're going to click on it. And then it's going to tell you right here. Oh, let's go back. It's going to tell you right here to update your credit card information. It's going to go through everything to update your credit card information, right? And when you register as a seller, you must enter credit or debit cards that will accept international charges and that has a valid billing address located in an eligible country. So you can see, make sure it's from an eligible country. Your credit or debit will be billed monthly. So I know they mentioned debit cards, but debit cards usually aren't accepted. Again, this is called Amazon being Amazon. So make sure it's a credit card. That way it's going to be accepted every time. You may be redirected to a financial institution to verify your credit card with a security question to verify your identity before redirecting to Amazon. Now, these are the only accepted credit cards. Okay, I'm just going to ignore the word debit because debit always has an issue. So here's the credit cards. They don't accept alternative methods. And then make sure you have a bank account. Okay, so you can click update your credit card right here. And then you can update it. And you can actually go back into Amazon and go into your charge methods. And then what I recommend is just deleting all of your charge methods. To delete your charge methods, you're actually going to go to Amazon.com, right? As a buyer, you're going to pretend you're a buyer. You're going to go into settings and you're going to delete all of your credit cards on your buyer account. When you delete it on your buyer account, which is Amazon.com, it automatically removes it most of the time from Amazon Seller Central. Then you can add them back. And that way it kind of refreshes Amazon's system. Now, when you replace the credit card, I recommend you replace it for every single country that you're selling in on Amazon. That way it doesn't have any issues, and then it should work. Have multiple credit cards if possible, and this usually will help get it through. But I really hope that this helps you in today's video. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is full Amazon account management. This is where we'll manage your inventory, handle customer service, run your ads, deal with support, and make sure there's no errors on your account. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.